So there's not really any good videos on taking apart these Carcanos, so I had to figure it out for myself. So I thought I'd show that to you now. It's pretty simple, although it's not exactly intuitive. First thing to do is to take out these two screws. My gun has been apart several times before, so I can just use whatever screwdriver, but if you're doing this for the first time and it's really tight, make sure you use the right size screwdriver to avoid damage. So we just take these two screws out. Next is to remove this sling swivel. When you go to put this back together, make note there's a small nub here that has to align properly on the other side. If you don't put that in properly, you'll damage it. Next, and this is the tricky part that tripped me up, is this top handguard and barrel band come off together. So now you see why we removed these two screws. Top handguard is off. Next, remove these two screws for the bottom metal. Bottom metal comes off, and the action will slide off the stock. You may have to beat this off. There we go. That slides over. Bayonet lug just stays on the barrel. It will slide up if you need it to. Thanks for watching.